It's a 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.